Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Triumph app and whether you can actually make money from it. Triumph is a skill-based mobile gaming app where players compete in quick arcade-style minigames like Brick Breaker to win real cash rewards. You can challenge other players in one-on-one matches, tournaments, or blitz battles, and the winners receive the prize money. The app itself is free to download, but if you want to play real money matches, you'll usually need to pay a small entry fee. If you win the game, you earn cash rewards that can be withdrawn through PayPal or Venmo. Many users say withdrawals are processed quickly once identity verification is completed. There's also a referral bonus, so you can earn a small reward when someone signs up using your invite. From my experience as a user, the mini games are actually very fun and competitive. The withdrawal process feels simple, and the support team responds quickly and professionally when you need help. However, it's important to understand the risks. Since you're paying to enter matches, there's always a chance of losing money. Winning mostly depends on your gaming skills, and as you move to higher levels, the competition becomes tougher. Some players have also mentioned regional restrictions and concerns about match fairness. So, overall, Triumph can be a fun app if you enjoy competitive mobile games and don't mind taking small risks for rewards. But realistically, it's not something you should depend on as a steady source of income. Think of it more as casual gaming with the possibility of earning small cash rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.